1982 arcade version. And all those machines, they recall the way they come swooping in.
Kind of ziggy-zaggy.
Ziggy-zag, is that the snobby term?
So some years ago that nobody would know today?
Does she really get to talk twice? She's not even at the grown-ups table.
Our nation has just been attacked by an unknown military force. If this gets out to the president, they'd impeach you. So I suggest the man in government positions can discuss our options.
Sorry, everybody. Admirals, guys in suits, Zac Efron. Nah. Grandpa, we'll see you around the nursing home.
Brenner.
God! Whoa, no! Brenner, no! Brenner, no! Stay! Yeah. How'd you get into my van?
I've been in there ever since you went to that nice... This is moisturizer.
Show me what that is.
Only as a last resort.
What are you...
There was something I had to tell you.
Why didn't you call me then?
JFK shot first.
Ludlow, it is you. Oh, my goodness! Look at you.
I know.
Staying in shape.
I'm on to show you. And let's just say, it's a game changer. Here, voluntarily.
That's a shocker. If it was real, she'd have about 17 restraining orders out on you.
Actually, I think if a book written and illustrated by Ludlow Lamonsoff.
Oh, boy. You should sell it at Barnes and Unstable.
Do you want a copy?
No.
I have 8 others. Follow me. Earlier today, our military base in Guam was attacked. Bao Bao was terribly frightened, so I hacked into the government service to assure Bao Bao that everything was okay.
I had root beer while you were out.
You remember my grandma? She's,
Sure.
still a character.
Didn't get a chance to because, oh, what happened? Oh, I remember now. I'm trying to save her!
Don't yell at me.
So look, I know that sometimes the conspiracies are real.
Have you been playing Space Invaders?
You remember when we were children and we played in that video game championship?
Of course, buddy.
Shot out into the universe looking for extraterrestrial life.
Mm-hmm.
I have reason to believe the versions of what they saw to attack us. Bernard, I spent I came up absolutely empty. So then as a distraction, I got up to...
And you don't have cable because...
Because the government spies on us through our cable boxes, Bernard. That tape was burned 3 months ago. Anyway, in the middle of the UHF...
No, you're the freak with the...
A race from the planet Valula. We came to you in these familiar Earth forms.
Accept your offer to compete in winner-take-all battles. Gather.
It's the loser's planet. You have already lost the first battle, and for our victory, we have
That's not the real Madonna!
You will get action of your planet. The next battle is in 15 hours at coordinates.
Yeah, I got lost about halfway through. Why does Madonna want to take over our planet?
These moron aliens think declaration of war.
Intergalactic war, Mr. President. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that...
You can call me Chewie. What do they mean by 3 lives? What is that?
Aha, if I may. 1 quarter, 3 lives. This is clearly not a quarter.
Yeah. 2 more losses and...
It's game over. Now, assuming longitude, then we can safely assume that the next attack should happen somewhere in northern India, and exactly where the attack is going to be, and maybe even which game they're going to use to attack us.
Well, high school kids?
You got to at least warn the people of India something could be coming.
The whole country...
हम एक दूसरे को करीब 3 साल से जानते हैं।
हाँ, करीब।
लगता है हमारे बीच एक खूबसूरत रिश्ता है।
राज, क्या जो मैं सोच रही हूँ?
क्या मुझसे शादी करोगी?
Don't sweat the whole Taj Mahal thing. It's probably better.
Good morning, Mr. President. What's Radio Shack Robbie doing here?
Actually met before, but you wouldn't remember because it was in the back of Brenner's van and I was watching through a window.
Brenner, I have agreed to share their video game expertise with you and your team.
Happy to do it.
Have better insight into our current crisis than my entire administration.
I don't know. This is how it's going to be the whole time?
Knock it off.
Because she's being
Lead the way.
Of course, Mr. President.
It's progress, sir. We now understand the entities that attacked us were made of energy, intelligence.
Michael's a robot.
I think maybe the extraterrestrials took light creatures back at us.
That's why solid matter, bullets and missiles.
The cubes we recovered in Guam are normally pretty feisty. But they calm down pretty quick when we hit them with some supercharged light particles. So smart.
Yeah? You think so?
Is that how you got into the Mississippi Institute of Technology?
I so regret trying to kiss you.
I would kiss the guy in the yacht 100 times before I kissed you. Moving on.
Yeah.
What do we train for? Why do we fight? When do we quit?
Perhaps our new expert advisors would like to say a few.
You have served this nation with distinction in combat zones and every nuke they've thrown at you. And now you're going to face aliens.
I couldn't get a babysitter.
Civilian arcaders, who we are required to listen to.
You can do this.
I know.
Now.
I can't do this. I'm gonna throw up.
We know how to do this. General Zod for that beautiful intro. Hey, fellas, good to see you. This is the Wonder Kid, also known as...
Your worst nightmare! Like someone forgot to send us the best of the best, oops. And instead wearing candy ass, cries himself to sleep, women, baby, with a cast of Magic Mike. You gonna fight or dance naked? You little girl maggots, whatever the hell the female form of maggot is. You're gonna be thinking of me, in your pants. You know what I mean. You feel me, sailor? You beautiful Nubian man. You go.
I think you're about to feel him, Lud.
I can't move.
Let me sit down. Sorry about that, everybody. I know it's weird. Truth is, we've been training since childhood. We've been training our with hand-eye coordination unique to a very specific cognitive acuity in all areas of our life. But suddenly, it might be forget about us being civilian morons and let us teach you a few things in a little time. There is only one objective in asteroids. That is to destroy these boulders. That's why I recommend staying in the middle. Just because you see it in Maverick. Don't lock into radar. Okay, it's fine, Sue. I want you to focus. That's a good thing.
No distractions, just us and cake.
Whoa, big man.
The rainbow sprinkles. Come on now.
Will?
Here comes...
Mr. President,
Yes, Jennifer.
we just received an alien transmission from the Where's the Bee. Next battle is on at sundown tomorrow. 5130, 29 latitude, 0942 long.
Clear the area! All of you, come on!
Hi, we're Americans. Our Navy SEALs were given permission by your government to prepare for 50 minutes.
We're shooting a beer commercial.
Ah, right then.
Try not to cause total panic, Yank. And you? Walking wiener coat.
What's a wiener coat?
I can't thank you enough for your cooperation on this.
Of course, Will. I tried scuttering back to the fractious firmament from whence they came.
I know, right?
I just want to touch it.
These ray guns gonna work, Van Patten?
We had no way to field test them, sir.
Battle with untested ordnance.
I had 2 days to do things never done before on this planet, sir.
Doesn't need to be here. Follow me to the support area. That means...
Hey, Colonel, don't worry. They're gonna work.
That's not strictly true. He made a cake.
Let's put that on pause here.
Wanted to spend some quality time with the wife and...
Oh, I understand. My husband sells pottery studios, and he made me a world's sexiest Prime Minister coffee mug.
Anything, Colonel Van Patten?
It's eerily quiet.
there's a 5+1 formation, all right?
If we need you, we know where to find you. All right.
Centipede from the head down! Do not hit him in the middle or he will split into two! No! If we just think, don't split him in half! Come on, shoot things like the game! God, will you please find the pattern and anticipate?
The hell kind of big commercial?
Back here, Yank!
Get off me! What the hell are you saying? I don't know!
Me? No! Look at me, I look delicious! They'll gobble me up like space dim sum!
You can do this! Come on, you're the Wonder Kid!
You've no authority to dispense weapons!
What was that, sir?
Let the nerds take over!
Brenner's right. I am the Wonder Kid.